Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to BGS class. Today we'll read or study the new topic. The chapter is number 9 and the topic is topic 2, urban areas. What is our topic name? Urban areas. So students, first open your book and open the page number 46. First read the book properly. Okay, after finishing your reading, I will explain the whole topic. At first, what is our topic name today? The urban areas. So, at first we have to learn about what is called the urban areas. So, here. So, what is urban areas or what is called urban areas? An urban area is a human settlement with population density and infrastructure of built environment like city. This is called urban area. For example, Dhaka, Mymensingh, Gazipur. This is the examples of urban area. Look at the book first. Look at the picture. Look. This is called the urban area, the city. The city is called the urban area. Okay, so now what type of facilities we need from the urban area? The facilities we need from the urban area is here. What type of facilities we need from the urban area? Schools and colleges, hospitals, wide roads, drains, dustbin, supply of safe drinking water, electricity, gas and playgrounds. All the facilities we need where? From the urban area. Now, as a citizen, we have some duties to improve the urban area. So, what type of duties we need? Here. We can repair bridges, we can improve waste management, we can build playground, we can clean roads, drainage, etc. This is our duties to improve our urban areas. If we do not get these facilities, then what will we do or what should we do? If we do not get these facilities, then what should we do? We should inform the mayor of the municipality or we should tell the ward councillor or ward commissioner. So, if we did not get these facilities, what we'll have to do? We should inform the mayor of the municipality or we should tell the ward councillor. After that, I will explain the whole topic one more time through the flowchart. This is the flowchart. Look. So, at first, what is urban area? An urban area is a human settlement with population density and infrastructure of built environment like the city. This is called the urban area. For example, Dhaka, Mymensingh, Gazipur, etc. Now the facilities. What type of facilities we need to the urban areas? We need schools, colleges, hospitals, wide roads, drains, dustbin, supply of safe drinking water, electricity, gas and playground. These types of facilities we need from the urban areas. Now our duties. What is our duties? As a citizen, we have some duties to improve the urban area. We can repair bridges, We can improve waste management. We can build playground. We can clean roads and drains. This is our duties to improve the urban areas. Now, if we do not get all these facilities, then what should we do or where should we go? We should inform the mayor of the municipality, or we should tell the ward councillor or commissioner. After that, you have to read the lecture sheet properly and practice all the exercise. For today, my BGS class is over. So students, take care and Allah Hafiz.